So we got this here. This is the Spa Sensations by Zenith 8-inch TheraTouch memory foam mattress, and it's supposed to be pretty cool. They got the 10-year warranty, and for the price, I don't think you can really beat it. Like I said, we just got it, so we're gonna do a week from now. We're gonna do a little review on how well we slept, how much better it is, and go from there. I know we have no affiliation with Walmart or this company or anything. I just wanted to put the review out there because when we were looking for mattresses and stuff, we saw this one at Walmart. We really couldn't find any reviews on it, so we just thought we'd buy it. It's so cheap that worst case scenario, we'll have to get a new mattress. So I'm not too worried about it. So anyways, the box was perfect until I took it up my stairs and ripped it all apart. But it's got little wheels to move it around, and it's pretty nice. So, yeah, there's the box. You see what it says here. The TheraTouch Memory Foam Advantage. Product features: high density material, conforms to your body, slower recovery time, higher density, sensitive to body weight, takes more time to bounce back, cushions and supports body pressure points better, conforms to your body fast, doesn't push back when you sleep. No pressure means more comfort. So I got a couple pictures of how to do the setup. So you pretty much open the box, lay it out, and it rises. So we're going to get right to that here. And we're going to do the unboxing here. So just stay tuned. So it's pretty neat how they package these. They're just pretty much in this box like this, all wrapped up. And this thing, just do this. Bam! Oh, that's done. So, it's packaged pretty nicely. It's got this thing. Gotta untie that. And we'll slide it down. Oh! If I can get it here. It's kind of tougher than it looks. Ah, that might look tough, I don't know. Holy cow. Maybe I just do that. Let's try that. Might work a little bit better if you rip it off like that. And, yeah. Alright, so that's kind of a little tricky, or I'm just stupid, so either which way. But let's move you guys. So look at this. That's supposed to expand to 8 inches. It's like probably not even 2 inches right now. So this must be the bottom part. So this is the bottom part. So I'm gonna flip her around. Kinda heavy. I mean, we're gonna order a whole box spring and everything for it on Amazon and stuff. But for right now, we're just gonna have it on the floor. So okay, take this plastic off, and he's already starting to expand up. I can see it. My first review on it though, Wow, this is so soft. Like, it is really so soft. I can't believe this is going to expand to 8 inches. I mean, like, just look at that. Just look at that. It's like, what'd you say that is? It looks like maybe 2 inches. And it's going to expand all the way. Wow, this is crazy. This is about 10-15 minutes later. Look, it's already like doubled in size. And it's still got like 4 more inches to go. But so far it's looking good. I am so surprised on how soft this is. I mean, I can lay down in it right now. Oh my gosh, it already feels so comfortable. Like, I can't wait till it's fully expanded because I think this mattress is going to be wonderful. Well, thank you guys so much. I hope you guys are liking this video. I'm going to, keep doing more things, and hope you guys follow this and like it and subscribe for more and keep tuned to what I'm doing. And I love you guys, and it's really helping me. And I hope you guys like this video, and I'm going to keep getting at it. Okay, it's been about a half an hour now, and we are getting there. I would say we're probably at about 4 inches now, so maybe, I don't know, 5 or so, but it's growing. Well, I'll keep you guys updated.